Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to give a demo of Mass SEO Article Generator, which I have been working on as a side project for quite some time now. It's been almost a couple of months I was working on fine-tuning it, and now I feel like it's ready for a demo or a beta testing. So in this video, I'm going to show how it works, what are the functions I have put into this particular tool. So just a background, like I was looking for one-click solution for myself to create mass articles like which are already been SEO optimized, which are been like keyword research been put into it automatically. So just what I was looking for is a single topic to be given, and the tool should create a good article that I can directly put into my website, which will be like SEO optimized, which will be grammatically uh, like correct, which will have no spelling mistakes. So all these things I was looking into one-stop solution, and that's where this tool was designed and developed by me. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you try to open it, basically you'll see uh, this kind of UI which will ask for you for the license key. So basically these things you will be needing. I'll first start with the license key. Now once you put a license key over here and click on activate license, if the license is correct, you will see this notification of activation successful. So let me give you overview of this tool first, and then maybe we can get started on to actual demo. So first thing first, we have this license key which we have already used to activate this tool. Uh, so basically you'll be needing this key to be validated every time you open this application. Then we have this dark mode. So most of you love dark modes. I have kept it, and even I personally like it. So we'll keep it a dark mode. So it's like a toggle. If you don't like it, you can again switch back to light mode, but I'll prefer dark mode. Then these are the API keys which you will be needing to put into this tool to work basically. So SERP API, which is SERP API is a website which provides search engine Google data basically. Uh, so you can get started with their free plan, which is like 100 searches per month. I feel it's quite useful for someone who is not that much into you know mass article generations. If you are looking for higher number of SERP data, you can opt for their paid version. But basically for each keyword or each topic which you will be putting into this tool, it will consume one credit out of it. So so you can consider it like almost 100 articles you can create with their free plan. So we need to grab one key, SERP key. So I have already taken a key for myself. I'll put it over here. Then Google API key. Now, as you already know, Gemini Flash is everywhere, and already Google is advertising it as the best out there. And good thing right now is it's free. Almost 1 million tokens you have as a free plan. So grab your API key and put it over here. And anyways, this tool I have made it to work for both OpenAI as well as Gemini. So if you're not happy with Gemini output, you can anytime switch to OpenAI. So I've kept it over here. Basically, this is what things you will need apart from the tool itself is like ACRP API key, Google API key, and then Open API key. If you find any difficulties to get these API keys, let me know. I can help you. But basically once you have these, that's all you will be needing. Now moving on to the next section, which is settings. This is the crucial step where the tool, the magic happens. So here you have liberty to select the location. So basically this tells search API, so ACRP API, to look for the results from that particular area. So if you say United States, it will search for top results from Google, from United States. And we have all those countries which are right now being supported by ACRP API. So we'll start with United States. So what it will do is whenever you put a topic for the tool, it will look for the language English into United States and then a number of results to scrape. So what this function does is it will try to see what things are ranking for this top 10, top 5 results. Now you have an option to go up to 10. Beyond that, I have not kept any option. If you feel that you want to do like 10, 15, 20 search results, which I personally feel doesn't make sense. So by default, this will select for 5. So basically, you will be looking after top 5 articles for that particular topic ranking into United States for English language, and this tool will try to see why it is ranking, and then it will do the keyword research for itself, and then will generate an article. So this is what the thought process I had while developing this tool. So I don't want to do any other stuff. I'll just give a topic and the tool should do all those research and provide me the output. Now here, as I said, I made this tool to work for both OpenAI and Gemini. So I'll keep Gemini because it's a free, and we also have these all models which have been given by Google. So I'll stick to the latest 2.0 Flash. Just for this demo, let me show you what all options I have given for OpenAI. So for OpenAI, we have GPT-4, 4 Turbo, 4o Mini, GPT 3.5 Turbo, and 4o. I guess I need to make some changes, but this is what it supports. Then max concurrent tasks. If you want to have a multiple threadings, like multiple parallel articles to be generated, you can increase this. I'll be giving a demo with the free API, which has its rate limits. So as I mentioned over here, higher concurrent values can hit your rate limits. So I'll say if necessary, then only change this number, else one article at a time is quite enough to generate a quality article out of this tool. Then comes the tone. Now here I have given options for you to select what tone you want for the article. Will it be conversational, formal, informative, humorous? Then like that you can select whatever you feel. For this demo I'll select an informative article. Then style. Again, you can select this as a blog post, a news article, guide, tutorial, review article. So this kind of, or maybe a case study. So this kind of style of writing is what you can select. I'll keep it blog post. Now dynamic tone adjustment is something which is by default right now no. So basically sometimes what happens is we don't know exactly the tone of the required article to rank into top places. That's where this dynamic tone can come handy. So if you are not sure if you want what kind of tone you want for this particular option, if you select yes, what it will do is it will go for these top 5 searches. It will try to understand the tone of these articles, and then it will decide, the tool will decide upon its own what tone has to be there, overwriting whatever tone you have mentioned, like selected over here. So if you're not sure on the tone, then only select it yes, so that the tool can automatically select, else you can keep it no. And then temperature is like how creative you want this article to be. So by default I've kept it zero point 0.3, which is reasonably like a good number for temperature, where it will be more sort of stick to the what I can say true values, like not to go far into creativity and generate a garbage. Now moving to next option that I have added is the image generation. So it's like again a toggle. If you enable it, it will ask for which model to be considered. Right now I kept Dall-E. It uses Dall-E version 3. And then we also have Imagen 3, which is like Google image generation. So these are like AI generation option, AI image generation option. You can choose enable or disable as per your requirement. If you choose enable, it will be generated based on the prompt I have given to it, and it will be in HD. Now moving to next section, this is like input and output selection. We'll go through it now. So basically, what you will need basically is a Excel sheet as an input. So I'll create a new Excel spreadsheet. You can name it anything. I'll keep it as is. I'll not name it. So this is how the structure of this Excel spreadsheet should be. The first row will always be for the titles. So I'll keep it as topics and then keywords. So this tool is basically designed to consider the keywords if at all available. If not, the tool will do its own keyword assessment, own keyword analysis. We'll see that in some time. So here what you are supposed to do is you have to provide the topics for the tool to write the articles for. So I have given like as I mentioned, column A from row number second onwards, it will be only topics, and column B second row onwards the keywords. So for example, if I say email marketing in 2025, okay, so this is my topic. If I have done the keyword research through the tools available like SEMrush or Uber Suggest, anything which most of you might have already been using, you can mention all those keywords over here, like email marketing would be your keyword, or maybe new trends in email marketing, like that. Like that. But for this demo purpose, I'll keep it blank. I will. So basically, what happens is if you keep these keywords, uh, so tool will override its own generation and will try to focus on these keywords. It will try to include these keywords into the article. I have seen, I have tried, tested it multiple times with multiple topics, keywords, and it pretty much gave good results. Sometime it was like off, but that is how it is. I'm still making it better, but it will try to include all those keywords which you provide. For this demo purpose, I'll keep it blank. I'll let the tool select its own keywords. I'll make it like save it, and then I'll close it. So this is pretty like this is what our input should be. Then I'll create a new folder which will be our output. I'll just put it output as a folder name. Right now it is blank. So let's select the input. So we are in the same folder. I'll select this as a input, and then I'll select this folder which we just now created as an output folder for saving the logs as well as the output article and image if you have selected image generation. With this, let's start the article generation. This is basically a button. Once you click it, it will start its process as we have defined over here. Like it will, as if we have considered concurrent tasks as one. So each time it will go through the input sheet which we have uploaded here. It will go for row number 2 in first column, and it will try to see the topic. Then it will use its SERP API key. It will go for United States English language, and it will scrape 5 top results from Google for that particular keyword. It will extract the articles which are ranking. It will try to understand why it is ranking in top 5. It will do its own keyword research because we have not given our keywords here in this input sheet. So it will try to understand which keywords, how the density of these keywords are there. Then it will try to select the tone. So I'll select informative again for this. So this is the tone I want to have. Then again a blog post. Again I have kept his dynamic tone as no because I am giving a tone. I need an informative article for the keyword for the topic like email marketing in 2025. And with this, when I start generation, so you'll start seeing this article generator log. It will be having all those logs which you are right now seeing over here in console. So this is basically will tell you what is happening inside this tool, how this tool is thinking, how this tool is taking out those keywords. All those data will be available over here for you to check. This will also help you or help me if in case you face any difficulties. So it will have these debugs logging also happening over there. So any error, anything where you are stuck, once you can give this log to me for my understanding. I can then check for any issues, and if possible I'll fix that into the main source code. So as you can see, I'll just go through some of those. Like it has already started extracting the data from like here you can see researching top articles for email marketing 2025. So it has selected our keyword. Then it has gone through the URL. Maybe this is the top URL right now for this keyword as per the SERP API. And then from that blog post, it has already taken out the article. It has started its analysis. Likewise, it will go through all these top 5 articles, and then it will start uh, removing those stop words. Stop words are nothing but those words which are not of any values, like these example article. So the spelling mistake is there, MON. Maybe it was for Monday, I don't know, but it has no meaning as per the standard uh, dictionary words. So it will remove these words basically, so that it will not give false keyword assessment. As you can see, it is going pretty good. Now we are seeing some of these data like dynamic tone adjustment is disabled in UI, and using selected the tone we have selected informative. It is selected informative. Now here you can see the target keyword. So the tool has selected some of those keywords from these articles like email marketing, content, AI. This is nice. Then it has now started yes, connection. It is taking data. So you can see subscribers, people. So these are pretty much in alignment keywords to the main topic which we have given this tool for. Now what is happening over here is it is trying to get the language tool from this address. Basically, this will be used to understand the grammar. Um, so right now it works with Java. So I think you will have to have it. As you can see, now this message says 38 grammar or spelling errors found in our article, which this tool had generated. Now it is attempting to correct it, and the grammar and spell checks has been applied. So this is pretty good find, I would say. Most of us, when we generate an article using AI, we face this issue. Now I tried to implement this feature so that the output should be as much as error free. As we have not selected any image generation, it has said like user has disabled it, so no image will be generated. Now here we could see the density. So the density of the keywords which it is trying to match with the target, it will try to rewrite the article to match the density as much as it can. It will try to rewrite it for a couple of attempts, like attempt 1, then you'll see attempt 3. If it doesn't do, then it will uh, it will bypass that. Now we have got this article generation completed, and same time you can see the output file is being generated. So I'll click OK. So here you can see uh, it has tried, as I said, that it tried 3 times. If it does not make it happen, it will still proceed anyway and save the article. So it will also have some of these keywords which could not be added into the article as much as the tool wanted to. That's where these error messages you will see. And then the total time it has taken for one article to generate. You could see these are like almost 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes it took. But looking at the things it does to provide this article, I would say it's worth waiting for. Let's open this output file now. So we have completed the article generation. Okay, so right now I'm still working on to making it more, user friendly, or as much as data I can give to. So here, as I said, it will have the topic which we have provided, and then uh, okay. So here we have our article. Let me copy it for some. So basically it will be in HTML code, I would say. So this is like been made into a format which you can directly use an import tool, and then you can get a WordPress ready article. So for this demo purpose, I'll create an HTML file. I'll put out, I'll make it as article dot html. Sorry, let me HTML. Oops, sorry. Okay, let me open it. Text file. Let me paste that article which is being generated. I'll keep it, like I'll save it, and now we'll try to open it with run. Okay, so this is how the article is. You can ignore this markdown. Sometimes it comes. So nevertheless, so this is your title. This is H1 tag. Then it has these H2, H3 tags. It has, as we have seen, email marketing, email program, then AI. These were the keywords which basically this tool identified as some of those keywords to target. And likewise, this is an entire article which was being generated. So this is it. I hope this excites some of you to try it out. Yeah, it's still in I would say development phase, and I'm trying to I'm planning to provide an demo or beta testing to get your feedbacks and the ways which I can improve this tool to give even better output. So that's all from this video. If I hope you like it, let me know your comments, and if it excites you, as I said, I'll offer as a beta testing. Okay, thank you. Bye.